Good morning, class 9th. Today we are going to start exercise 8.2. Question number 1. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which PQRS are midpoints. ABCD is a quadrilateral. I am making a quadrilateral. This is ABCD, which is a quadrilateral A, B, C and D. Okay. Now PQRS are midpoints. P is midpoint of AB, Q is midpoint of BC, R is midpoint of DC and S is midpoint of AD. And AC is diagonal, so that first of all you just join this PQRS. You just join this and draw diagonal AC. It is given. Now given, what will you write in given? ABCD is a quadrilateral, okay, in which P, Q, R and S are midpoints of AB, BC, CD and DA respectively. Okay, now this is given. Now to prove what we have to prove, SR is parallel to AC, and second is in same part SR is half of AC. Okay, and second is PQ is equals to SR, and the third is PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay, now let us start first part, proof. You can see in triangle ABC, P and Q are midpoints of sides AB and BC. In triangle ABC, P, Q are midpoints of AB and BC respectively. Okay, P and Q are midpoints of AB and BC respectively. Therefore we can say PQ parallel to AC and PQ is half of AC. This is by midpoint theorem. Okay, likewise you can write in triangle ADC, S and R are midpoints of AD and DC respectively. Therefore RS is or SR is half of AC and SR is parallel to AC. I am writing the same thing which I told you. In triangle ADC, okay, S and R are midpoints of AD and DC respectively. Okay, therefore SR parallel to AC and SR is half of AC. This is by midpoint theorem. Okay, now SR is half of AC and SR parallel to AC. This is first part, we have proved now. Now second part, since we know that since PQ is parallel to AC and SR parallel to AC, it is not needed in first part. In first part we need to have equalities only. So PQ is half of AC and SR half of AC. This is proved above. Okay, so from here we can say PQ is equals to SR. It implies that PQ is equals to SR. This is conclusion which we can get from above. Now in third part, since PQ is parallel to AC and SR is parallel to AC, this is proved above. So we can say PQ is parallel to SR. Okay, and PQ is equals to SR. We proved above. This is proved above. Now we can say if PQ is parallel to SR and PQ is equals to SR, therefore PQRS is a parallelogram. This is by definition. Okay, this is by definition of parallelogram. Likewise, you can do question number 2. Thank you so much.